Hello friends, welcome back to TechTush. I'm back with another video. So in this video I'll show you how you can use emoji in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So I'll keep this video short and this video will be very helpful for those who use their PC most of the time. We use WhatsApp, Gmail, everything from the PC. So it's very easy, just you have to remember the shortcut key behind using this emoji panel. So there are two ways. You can press the Windows key and the full stop or the dot key together, or the Windows and the semicolon key together. Both of the combination will open the improved emoji panel, from where we can select any emoji we want. So if you want any particular emoji, just type the name. Like here I'm typing fire and you can see the fire emoji is coming. You can type water, mountain, and anything you want, like the same like you use in an Android phone. Here I have shown you in Gmail, but you can use it anywhere you want. You can search it in your web browser in a new tab. I will show you that. And you can also use it in your notepad. You can rename your files or anything you want you can do. But there is a problem that if you are typing this emojis in your notepad, so many versions of Windows 10 doesn't support this thing. So if you are using notepad, then I would suggest you that just go to Google and type online notepad, and you can see that from Reputables there is an online notepad, and it is more vibrant and very useful than the notepad which is originally there in your PC. So here you can see that if you are typing anything, if you are typing this emojis, then it is not in black and white but in the original color. So if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and keep supporting our channel for more interesting videos.